how to get Telegram code by SMS in 2026. So let's get started. First, you need to open up your Telegram application. After that, go with Start Messaging, which will be in the bottom of your screen, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, if you want to get Telegram code by SMS, then you need to make sure that you've selected your phone number section. Once you've selected, you need to go with your country code, go with your country, select your country, and then go with your country code and enter your mobile number. After entering the mobile number, you need to hit the arrow which will be on the right side. After that, Telegram will send the verification code to you via an OTP. So go with the arrow and it will ask you if this is the correct number. So if it is, then go with yes. After that, on the bottom here, instead of this forgot password option, you will have an option of tap to get a code via SMS. But in my case, I've set a password for my Telegram, so I don't need to enter a verification code. So enter the password if you already have your password, and then it will log you into your account. But if you've not set your password, then it will have an option of tap to get a code via SMS. You need to tap on it, and then you will receive the verification code to your SMS. After entering that code, you'll be logged into your Telegram account. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.